Workers wear safety equipment to protect themselves from injury or even death. Depending on the job and the nature of the risks involved, workers must wear different safety equipment. At a minimum, workers at our construction sites must wear hard hats, reflective vests, and safety shoes. A safety helmet is important to protect against falling objects and head injuries in the work area. A reflective vest is a key element of your wardrobe and will ensure that you are seen by everyone on the job site. It's good practice to also wear thick pants, which will protect you and keep you warm on the job. Steel-toed boots are important to protect your feet and prevent injury to your toes or the top of your feet. Wearing the right safety equipment minimizes the risk of injury on the job and is also required by law. Failure to comply can result in fines and site closure. And don't forget, if you need further clarifications, send an email to our compliance team at compliance@acme.com or simply get in touch with your supervisor.